Welcome to a vibrant journey like no other. But first, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered how mastering the colors of the rainbow could unlock a new realm of communication? Well, you're in the right place. Today in Lesson 4, we're venturing into the secret world of Spanish color. Together, we'll unravel a vibrant tapestry of language, culture, and mystery. All of this by taking a trip through the rainbow of Roy G. Biv. So, let's jump into the spectrum of colores. Stick around and let's illuminate your Spanish vocabulary like never before. All right, I'm sure you're ready to dive into this vibrant world, so let's get started with the basics. First up on our list, we have Rojo. That's red in English. Think of a brilliant sunset painting the sky with a rojo that sets hearts ablaze. Red is Rojo. Next, we have Azul. That's blue in English. Blue is a reminder of the vast and endless sky above us, a reminder of boundless potential. Blue is Azul. Third on our list is Verde. That's green in English. This is the color of life. Can you imagine a forest without its blanket of verde leaves? Green is Verde. Now let's talk about Amarillo. This is yellow in English. It brings warmth and cheer, just like a sunny day in a field of sunflowers. Yellow is Amarillo. And who could ignore Naranja? I'm sure you like a nice glass of it in the morning. This is orange in English. Named after the fruit, it's a color and a tasty treat. Orange is Naranja. And this makes one wonder, which came first, the fruit or the name? Next, we have the majestic color of morado, or purple in English. Violeta is also used for purple, but it's a slightly different shade than morado, but both can be used for purple. But it's the color of royalty, creativity, and grapes, of course. We all like our wine. Purple is morado. All right, let's veer off the beaten path and go a little bit more in depth with a few other colores. Let's talk about Rosa, which is pink in English. Rosa is a color that might remind you of soft pink rose petals like the picture, or the blush of the cheek of a beautiful woman that's pink. Pink is Rosa. Now let's step into the shadows in the night with Negro, or black in English. It's the color of night and holds a certain mystique about it, especially when the stars are visible or a full moon is in sight. Black is Negro. And we can't possibly discuss the darkness of black without discussing Blanco, which is white in English. Blanco reminds us of the softness and beautiful clouds, makes us think of doves flying through the clouds. Blanco is white. Next, we have brown, which is marrón, or café in Spanish. Marrón is used more commonly in Spain, while café is more commonly used in Latin America. So, brown, marrón, or café. Finally, we delve into the twilight with Gris, or gray. It's the color of misty mountains and wolves under a moonlit sky. Gray is Gris. So I know it's a lot to take in. However, I know that with daily practice and daily lessons, you will be amazed at how quickly the hard work shows results. Remember that colors are now more than just words to be used by you. As you explore and learn the Spanish language, they become a new way of seeing, describing, and experiencing the world around you. It's more than just vocabulary. It's a new way to describe the world around you in a language that is not your own, tapping into a new realm of a new culture and lifestyle. Part of the secret to basically anything in life, but to easy Spanish and learning Spanish fast, is to remember that it's more than just words. Language is such a huge part of our experience as humans. We learn faster when we associate things with our surroundings and make those new words an essential thing for the brain. Giving each word value and making it important in your daily life makes it easier to remember. Giving the words emotional energy by using them to interact with your daily life. Make them stick in your mind by giving them emotional value. So the next time you see a rojo apple or a verde leaf, try practicing your colores by saying the Spanish color out loud. Practice is the key to mastery, and your world is filled with colors and practice. All right, let's test your knowledge. Can you match the colors with their Spanish names? Also, listen for the bonus word at the end of the list. Practice saying each color along with me. There are 12 total, and I have included the Spanish on the screen. Leave your answers in the comments numbered 1 through 12 below. Good luck. Let's get started. All right, here we go with numero uno, Azul. Azul. Numero dos, morado, or violeta. Morado. violeta. Número 3, blanco, blanco. Número 4, number 4, naranja, naranja. Número 5, negro, negro. Número 6, rosa, rosa. All right, we're on número 7, amarillo, amarillo. Número 8, verde, verde. Congratulations, you've made it to número 9, rojo, rojo. Next we have número 10, gris, gris. Number 11, número 11, marrón, or café, marrón, café. We've made it to número 12, number 12, the bonus color. Remember, leave your answers in the comments below. And your bonus color is dorado, dorado. We're all looking for dorado. Remember, learning a language is not a race, it's a journey. So take your time, enjoy the process, and you'll be painting vivid mental pictures with your linguistic artistry of Spanish in no time. Stay tuned as we unravel more mysteries of the Spanish language in our upcoming videos. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a colorful update from us. Hasta la vista. See you later.